In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add music to your Telegram story. Adding music to your story on Telegram can enhance the emotional impact, create atmosphere, and engage your audience more deeply. It adds another layer of expression and can help set the mood for your narrative. To do this, simply head into your Telegram. On your chat page, tap right here to create a story. Choose any photo or video you wish to add. Let's say you want to add music to this story. Just tap right on the sticker icon at the bottom of your screen. You will then click on audio right here. You will directly get to your audio files. Select any audio or music you wish to add to your story. To get to any part of the song you want, adjust just like this. Tap on Next to select who you want to share your story with. When everything is done, tap right here on Post Story. Your story will get shared with the music you selected. That's how easy it is to add music to Telegram stories. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.